time for saw time. So, want to use my handy dandy little miter saw here. Couple of things that you need to do ahead of time. So you remember we made this mark. You obviously need to make a mark on the side of the wood as well, and you need to make a little X so you can kind of see that this is the part that you're going to throw away when you get done. So I've got all of my boards marked now. I'm going to put them on my handy dandy little miter saw. A few things about using this saw, in case you never have before. It's actually pretty simple. You do not want your hands anywhere near basically the silver part here where the slider is. So your hands stay out of this area. You're going to keep your hands up on the silver part of the guard. This guard is going to keep everything nice and flat. And you're basically going to keep your fingers here. You're going to press down on the board with your finger. And you're also going to push back with your thumb so it stays nice and tight. You're going to need your safety glasses, handy dandy safety glasses. And then what you do, you've got a button at the top here, which is the safety. And then you pull the trigger. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to wait until you hear the saw at full speed before you start to cut. You're going to want to make sure that you're standing in front of the saw, not to the side or to the side. You're getting yourself in danger if you do that. So you're standing right in front of the saw. Okay? So here we go. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure my saw is on my mark. And you can actually, what I do is I put my little mark down, I kind of bump it just to make sure it's looking like it's right. So you can see where I've bumped, there's a little indentation right here, which is right in alignment with my mark. Okay? Now, of course, I got to do it again because I just showed you guys. So that's way off. All right, we're looking good. So fingers way over here. And just to remind myself, I always do this twice just to make sure my hand is actually where I want it, which is out of the way. Press. I let go of the trigger and then the safety. And there's our board. Easy peasy.